Hello, dear students. Let's do this expression here. How can we do this question? For this question, we need to use BODMAS rule. What is the BODMAS rule? Here, we are writing this. B represents for brackets. O represent for others operations. D represent for divide. M represent for multiplication. A represent for addition and S represent for subtraction. We need to write our question again, that is 6 plus 2 square multiply with 9 minus 32. Now, according to the BODMAS rule, first in the question, if we have any bracket, then we have to simplify this first. But in the question, we can see we really don't have any brackets over here. Now, the next is others. In others category, we have if any surds, square root or square or cube, then we have to simplify that. In this question, we can see at the stage this, we have 2 square. So we need to simplify this. So 6 plus 2 square is 4, multiply with 9 minus of 32. So we simplified others. Now, according to the rules, the next is divide, but we don't have any divide here in the question. Next one is multiplication. We need to find out, do we have to do any multiplication operation here? Yes. Then we can see we need to multiply 4 and 9. So how can we do this? It's a 6 plus 4 times by 9 is 36 minus 32. Now, the next operation is addition. So 6 plus 36 is equal to 42 minus of 32, and 42 minus 32 is a 10. So this is how you can simplify any question or any expression. This is how you can simplify with the help of BODMAS rule of any question. The first, remember, always we do brackets. If any brackets over here, then we do the others. In the category of others, there are the square and square roots, then divide, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. We have to follow this structure and then we can get the right answer. Thank you.